Sorry for the disturbance, technical problem. So let us see continue the lesson. So here, uh, even the narrator asked her a question with confident voice. Have you noticed? He asked one question. What is that? Have you noticed? Have you noticed? This question he asked her. Then, have you noticed? I said with a confidence that the trees seem to be moving while we seem to be still. Yes, when we are moving, when you look outside, so automatically trees also looks like a moving. Trees also looks like a moving. Yes, it's a quite natural. Okay, when you are moving, automatically you feel that the trees also moving. ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗಿಡನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತನ್ನ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು trees seem to be moving while we seem to be still. That always happens, he said. Yes, that always happens. That's quite natural. She said. She replied. I turned from the window and faced the girl for a while. We sat in silence. Yes, the narrator turned from the window side and just he tried to look at her face. There for a while we sat. It means both were sat silently. Both were silently 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then ಇಬ್ಬರು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ. Then they have an interesting face. I commented. As narrator one more question, thing he tried to tell her, you have an interesting face. Yes, you have an interesting face. I commented. It means narrator commented. I was becoming quite daring, but it was a safe remark. Yes, I got the daring and I asked this thing. Few girls would mind anything said in their praise. If you praising girls, maybe girls may become angry or something reacted in another way. But she quite natural. She was calm. Few girls would mind anything said in their praise. She laughed pleasantly. Yes, she laughed. She laughed pleasantly. It was a clear, ringing laugh. It was a clear, ringing laugh. Ringing means what? Yes, protect. That is called ringing. It's nice to be told that, she said. Yes, very nice. It's nice to be told that. I'm so tired of people telling me that I have a pretty face. Yes, when anyone people meet me, everyone else say, yes, you are a so beautiful girl. Yes, I too much tired. When I listen, I feel too much tired of people talking about my beauty. I am so tired. Yes, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಬೇಸರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮೀ so tired of people telling me that I have a pretty face. Pretty means sundara. It means beautiful. Pretty means what? Beautiful. Pretty means beautiful place. So you do have a pretty face. I said himself. It means narrator said himself what? Yes, you do have pretty face. I hope you have a pretty face. Then I said aloud, well, an interesting face can be pretty face too. Yes, interesting face, even beautiful face are also. Who have interesting face, automatically they have a beautiful. Okay, that like said. You are a very witty, she said. You are a very witty, she said. Do you have a watch? What time is it? You are a witty, she said. Witty means just like a comedian. Just like a comedian. You are a comedy person. You are very witty. Witty means comedy. She said. Do you have watch? Asked her. Do you have watch? Yes. What time is it? Well, being soon at your station, I replied. Yes, your station is soon. Your station is very soon, not far away. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಭಾಳ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಎಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೂನ್ at your station, I replied. Thank goodness, it's a short journey, she said. Yes, thank goodness. It's very short journey, not a long journey. It's a short journey, she said. I can't bear to sit in a train for more than 2 or 3 hours. Yes, even one thing she told what 2 or 3 hours I couldn't sit in a train. I couldn't sit 1 or 2 hour more than. I can't bear to sit in a train for more than 2 or 3 hours. But I was prepared to sit there with her for any length of time. Yes, he was ready. Narrator was ready to sit with her for a long journey. But her station, she get on. See here. He was prepared to sit there with her for any length of time. He couldn't never be tired of listening to her talking. Yes, always he felt very happy to listen her words. Her voice had this sparkle of mountain brook. Yes, what type of mountains brook make a sound that like her voice also very fascinated or attracted. ಅವಳ ಒಂದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಾಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಬ್ರೂಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೆರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. As soon as she left the train, as soon as she left the train, bit like it, she would forget our brief encounter. Maybe she would forget our brief encounter. Encounter means meeting. Encounter means what here? Sudden meeting. But its business should stay with me for the rest of the journey. Alright? It's sweet memory. It's a sweet memory. I would like to recall the memory of the remaining journey. In the remaining journey. Let's continue. But its sweetness would stay with me. Yes, I recall the memory in a remaining journey. Sweetness would stay with me for the rest. Rest means remaining. Rest means what here? Remaining journey. Rest means what? Remaining. So remaining journey. Rest of the journey, all my present thoughts were centered around her. The engine gave a whistle. The carriage wheels changed their sound and rhythm. The girl got up to collect her things. I wondered if she wore her hair in a bun or if she had a ponytail. Wondered if it hung down loose over the shoulders or if it was cut very short. So here the engine gave a whistle. Means when the station came, when the train reached the station, automatically the train give the whistle sound. So that like here also, when the train reached the station, so engine gave the whistle. Whistle means sound. Whistle. Okay. So the engine gave the whistle. The carriage wheels change their sound and rhythm. Yes, carriage. It means uh, wheels automatically change the rhythm and sound. The train wheels automatically change the sound and rhythm. Carriage wheels change their round sound and rhythm. The girl got up automatically when she got up. The girl got up to collect their things. What things she has? All the things she taken or collected. The girl got up to collect her things. I wondered if she wore her hair in a bun. Yes, now we thought about her hair. Now the narrator thought about what? Hair. Maybe she wore her in a bun. Bun means knot. Bun means what? Knot. Okay. ತುರ್ಬ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ತುರ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Hair tied into a knot at the back of the head. It is called bun. He wondered if she wore her hair in a bun or otherwise if she had a ponytail. It means long tail. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕುರುಬ ಕಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಗಂಟು ಕಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಉದ್ದನ ಜಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಟೇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಲ ಥರ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಬಾಲ ಥರ ಬಿಟ್ಟಳನ್ನು ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ a ponytail, wondered if it hung down. Hung down ಅಂದ್ರೆ just spread over the shoulder, that is called hung down. Open air ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, that is called hung down. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೂಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಂತ. Wondered if it hung down loose over her shoulders or if it was cut very short. Maybe otherwise her hair become a cut this short. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂದಲನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ just he was thinking himself. Then the train drove slowly into the station. Outside there was the shouting of porters and vendors. High-pitched female voice was heard near the carriage door. It must have been girls aunt there. Yes, automatically the train slowly moved from the station. Automatically the train moved from the station slowly. Outside, yes, when the train come to the station, too much sound is there. People are getting inside or getting down. It's happened. So outside there was a shouting of porters. Porters means laborers. Porters means what? Porters. Pulyar. Chirta idare ಅವರು. Porters. And vendors. Vendors means who carried on the head. Those things they carried on the head or shoulder, they are going to sell. That is called vendor. ಹತ್ತು ಮಾರೋರು. ಹೊತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Vendors, high pitched female voice. Yes, one lady came here. She has a high pitch. It means increased voice. A high pitched female voice was heard near the carriage door. Yes, door side one female candidate came and picked up her. It must have been girl's aunt. Maybe who was she? Maybe she was her aunt. Maybe she was her aunt. Okay, this much enough. Continue in the next class. So homework. Homework. Read the lesson and collect hours. Collect hours. This is your homework. Okay. Read, try to understand what is that. Okay. As well as what are the difficult words or new words in that paragraph or lesson. You have to collect one side. Then try to write their meaning. Okay. See you in the next class.